a world which is totally new. It inspired me to create my own and present it today in front of all of you. Narrating a story has always been great fun. We have been listening to stories from our grandparents, our parents, and our teachers. There are so many ways in which we can narrate a story. We can use flashcard, hand puppet, hello, stick puppet, finger puppets. But in this pandemic, when the world was upside down, our teachers made us realize through our virtual classes that technology was bloom. We just need to try our hands on it. We learned to create our own story on an application called the StoryJumper. Do you want to know about it? I create my own book of story in the StoryJumper app using various features. I have inserted my voice in it too. My storybook even has my name. Isn't it amazing? Let me take you on a tour of the story creator by Sharma.
Alien saved the forest. Once upon a time, there was a dense, dry forest called Cocoa Forest nearest to the village. One day, the forest was covered with lightning and thunderstorm. It was raining. In a village lived a boy named Vishesh who was returning from the cut of wood of the forest from the evening. Suddenly, he felt someone following him. He turned back and saw a small-sized alien spaceship landing on the road in front of him. Two brown tiny aliens came out from it. Vishesh quickly hid behind the nearest rock and watched what they were up to. It stopped lightning and storm. All of a sudden, the aliens went near a dry tree and converted into chocolate trees. By alien gun, the alien will start converting every dry tree that they could go into chocolate. At first, Vishesh was amused, but later he got scared and ran to his village for help. By the time Vishesh returned with the villagers, the aliens had converted half of the forest into chocolates. Vishesh and his friend used flashlights to scare the brown tiny aliens. The aliens got scared. They ran towards the spaceship and left immediately. As soon as the aliens left, all the chocolate trees changed back to their original dry trees. A few days later, all the dry trees in the forest started burying brown seeds. The villagers stopped cutting the forest trees and started planting in the forests. Since then, the cocoa forest has been famous for chocolate trees. The end.